subscribe to our channel, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up for more. Red Cat Reading. Learn to read. How to make a map. All kinds of maps. How do people find their way around a new city? How do people drive from one side of a country to the other? They use a map. A map is a drawing of a place. Most maps show places as if you are looking down from an airplane. A map of a city or town has streets and buildings. A map of a country has states, cities, lakes, and rivers. A map of the world shows oceans and land. It may show countries in different colors. Some maps show weather in different places. This map shows where the sun is shining. It also shows where rain or snow is falling. Parts of a map. To use a map, first learn the 4 directions. North is the direction of the North Pole. South is the direction of the South Pole. East is where the sun rises, and west is where the sun sets. Maps may have an arrow and the letter N to show which way is north. They may instead have a compass rose with all 4 directions. Maps may also have little drawings called symbols. A little bike may mark a bike path. Cities and parks use a symbol to help people find bathrooms. A scale on a map shows how far apart things really are. Maps. Look at the map on this page. Pretend you live in the blue house. Walk your fingers from your house to the library. Now, walk your fingers from the library to the post office. Pretend you live in the orange house on this map. Walk your fingers to the blue house. Use words to tell someone how you got there. Making maps. Make a map of your bedroom. Start with some graph paper or use a ruler to make your own. Measure the room with your footsteps. Each footstep equals 1 square on the graph paper. Count your footsteps in both directions. Then, count the same number of squares on the paper. Draw the shape of the room. Now, count the number of footsteps to different things in the room. Draw those things on your map. Add more things to your map. Count your footsteps to doors and windows too. Then, color your map to look like the room. You just made a map. Try this. Get together with a friend. Hide a surprise in a secret place. Make a treasure map of where you hid the surprise. See if your friend finds the treasure. On another day, have your friend hide a surprise and draw a treasure map. Use the treasure map to look for your friend's surprise. Did you find it? Compass rose. Directions. Measure. Scale. Symbols. The end. subscribe to our channel, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up for more. For more stories and worksheets, check our website